Moving into your uni room is exciting, but let's be honest, those plain walls and basic furniture aren't exactly inspiring. The good news? With just a few affordable products, you can completely transform your space into a cozy haven that reflects your personality without breaking the bank. Switching up your duvet covers can completely change the look of your uni room, and adding complementary cushions, curtains and rugs can make the place feel inviting and a great place to chill out. One of the challenges of a small space is storage. But you don't need to settle for ugly boxes or visible clutter. Grab some bright storage boxes for shelving and don't forget the space under your bed. Lifesaver. A collapsible clothes basket is perfect for keeping things tidy, so say goodbye to that floor drobe. We know it's important to feel and look your best. These space-saving hangers will let you fit all your favourite clothes on the rail, meaning you don't have to compromise on your must-haves. Are you always losing your charger down the side of your bed or desk? Well, these handy cable holders will mean your leads stay in place and, more importantly, your gadgets easily at hand. And let's not forget the main reason we're here. These tabletop organisers will keep you on track for the year ahead. Tidy desk, tidy mind. Your vertical wall space is great for wall organisers and corkboards, so you can stay on top of important deadlines and your busy social calendar. Don't stop there. Personalise your space without the need for drills and nails with these handy command strips. They are so easy to stick and remove without damaging the walls, so get creative. You can also get hooks for your coats and bags, and these clear decorative clips are ideal for hanging fairy lights for cosy nights in. Speaking of lighting, make sure you have a suitable desk lamp at your workstation so you don't strain your eyes. A full-length mirror is a must for your uni room, and if yours doesn't have one, grab a freestanding mirror with extra storage and maximum flexibility. If you're not allowed candles, then reed diffusers are a great flameless way to bring scent and ambience into your space. Real plants can really lift your room and bring in some life. But if you're not the most responsible plant parent, get yourself a slow watering wall so your plants make it to the end of the year with you. And if real plants aren't your thing, you can still appear to bring the outdoors in, with plenty of artificial ones you never have to worry about. There's no reason your student accommodation can't feel like a home away from home. For more inspiration, visit B&Q today. You've got this.